Hi guys, today I'm going to show you guys how we are going to do our final project in here. So this might take a little bit longer of time, but it is all that you're doing this week is this one main project. So if you want to start and pick up wherever you leave off, you're more than welcome. I also want to make sure when you guys are finishing something in TinkerCad, be sure to hit turn in under that specific assignment for Google Classroom. So I know to look specifically at your account because I have to go in individually for each student to see your progress. And I'm not going to click on it unless you've turned something in. So I'm going to click on Learn, and we're going to actually click on Project this time. Okay. And I'm going to scroll down and hit See All Projects. And the project that we're going to be doing is Build a TinkerCad House. I'm going to click on Build a TinkerCad House, and I'm going to scroll down, and there are 3 different sections you can see for this. Okay, so click on Build a TinkerCad House. This one's just going to get you started. Okay, and you're going to go through like normal. Over on the side tells you exactly what you need to do, and this is probably going to be a couple different videos that I am going to be making, so make sure you're following through each individual video. Okay, so main thing is we're going to be creating a basic house. So when you're looking at the image above, okay, there's several things that stand out. First, we have a red rectangle. Then next we have a green rectangular or triangular shape for the roof. And then we have an archway for the door. Okay, so these are just some things that I've observed from that picture. So we're going to start off looking at the dimensions. It's 40 by 20 and 10 millimeters tall. So I'm going to click and add my little box to here. And we should know by now how to change the sizes, right? So I'm going to change the size. We want it to go 40 deep and 20 wide, okay? And then my height, we know the middle one. Okay, the middle dot allows me to change the height, and we're going to change that to 10. I'm going to hit enter. So there it is. That was easy, right? Okay. Next up, we are going to add another box. So click on the red box to select it. It says duplicate the bottom. Select the duplicate button the top on the menu bar near the top left of the screen. Okay, so you can see the duplicate. So if I click on the duplicate button while I'm on it, it actually makes an exact copy of it. So let's see. There we have 2, right? So you're, instead of actually moving it to the side like I did, okay, you're going to shrink it 1 millimeter in every direction, okay, and use the white dot on the top to increase the height several millimeters, right? So what we're going to be doing, once again, this is just kind of basics. I'm going to, let me click off of it for a minute, but when you do it, you actually can put it back right on top. Okay, so this one, the size of it, okay, once again, you can change the size. So I want it to be, if you want 1 millimeter on each side, I'm actually going to remove 2 millimeters total. So we're going to make this 18, and we're going to make this one 38. Okay, now as we zoom in a little bit, you can see it only did it towards one side. So I can actually drag this so it's centered. Okay, so what this is doing is it's creating a shell. All right, so we've created a shell for it. Okay, next. All right, and then you want to create this and make sure that center one is a hole. So you can see that we're cutting into it. And then you'll notice we are changing it to a hole. I'm going to select both shapes, and I am going to hit group. So that is the first portion. Okay, I'm going to continue this in the second video.